Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PlayStation 5 console network settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To start configuring your PlayStation 5 network settings, turn on your console. Once you see the home screen, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner. Select the gear icon to enter the settings menu. Scroll down and select Network. In the Network menu, choose Settings. Here, you will see the options for your internet connection. To connect via Wi-Fi, select Set up Internet Connection. You will see a list of available networks. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. If prompted, enter your Wi-Fi password. Once connected, your console will test the internet connection. If you prefer a wired connection, select Use a LAN cable. Make sure your Ethernet cable is properly connected to your router and console. The console will automatically detect the wired connection. Next, you can check your IP address settings. Return to the Network menu. Select View Connection Status to see your current settings. If you want to configure advanced settings, go to Set up Internet Connection. Choose either Wi-Fi or LAN cable based on your connection type. In the Setup menu, you will see options for configuring IP address settings. Select either automatic or manual according to your preference. If you choose manual, enter the desired IP address, subnet mask, and gateway information provided by your network. Next, proceed to the DNS settings. You can select automatic or enter a custom DNS if you prefer. If you choose manual, enter the primary and secondary DNS addresses. Continue to the MTU settings. Select automatic unless you have a specific MTU value you want to use. Finally, review your settings and select Test Internet Connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.